this is Likhita. Welcome to my channel Likhita. Today I am going to discuss with you about basic electronic circuit. Before going to the topic, let us learn about what is current, how the electric current flows in a circuit, and what is electronics. Before starting, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. What is current? Electric current is the flow of electric charge to conductors, for example, copper wires. How does electric current flows in a circuit? When wires are attached to the battery, the current flows through the wires and the change in potential is observed due to the flow of the current. The direction of the current is opposite to the flow of electrons. Now let us learn about electronics. Electronics is a branch of science concerned with study of electron flow and control. Devices referred to as electronic components are responsible for controlling electrons. What are electronic components? Electronic components are the basic bricks of any circuit. Electronic components is divided into two groups called active electronic component and passive electronic component. Passive electronic components. The electronic components that consumes energy in the form of voltage from its source but does not produce or supply energy is known as passive electronic components. Passive electronic components don't require energy for their operation. Some passive electronic components are resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Capacitor. A capacitor is a passive electronic component which stores electrical energy in its electric field. Capacitor functions like a battery as it does not generate new electrons but has the capacity to store them in Farad units F. Inductors. An inductor is a passive two-terminal electronic component that temporarily stores electrical energy in the form of magnetic field. It consists of coil of copper wires or electrical conductive wires. When the electric current is passed through the coil, a magnetic field is produced and it stores in the coil of copper wires. Active electronic components. The electronic components that consumes energy in the form of voltage and produces or supplies energy in the form of voltage is known as active electronic components. Active electronic components requires energy to operate. Some active electronic components are diode, transistors, and integrated circuits. Diode. A diode is a semiconductor component that allows most of the electric current or flows of electrons in forward direction while blocks most of the electric current in the opposite direction. Transistor. A transistor is an active electronic component that can be used as a switch. It is either controlled by the current or voltage. Thus, it is known as voltage control device or the current control device. Transistors are manufactured in different shapes but has three leads. The first one is the base. The base is responsible for activating the transistor. The second one is the collector. It is the positive lead of the transistor. The third one is the emitter. It is the negative lead of the transistor. Integrated circuit. An integrated circuit is a small semiconductor chip on which millions of electronic components such as transistors, capacitors, and resistors are fabricated. So in this video, we had learned about basic electronic circuits like active electronic components and passive electronic components. In the next video, I am going to show the active electronic components and the passive active electronic components. Thank you.